Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change Namecheap account email. So let's get started. So at first you need to log into your Namecheap account, and then from the left menu just click on profile, and here you will see a primary email. Next to it you will see an edit button, just click on it. Now here you need to enter your new email address. So here it is, and after that you need to enter your Namecheap account password, and after that just click on change email. And in this way a confirmation email has been sent to our new email address, and we need to open our email address and click on the confirmation link. So we will log into our Gmail account, and here we will see the email. So we are going to click on it, and now we just need to click on this link and log into our account, and it will send you a verification code on your primary email which is attached to your Namecheap dashboard. And then you need to copy that code from the primary email and paste it on the login page, and then click on login, and in this way your email address will be changed. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.